In the world of business structures, both LLC operating agreements and partnership agreements stand out as vital documents. But what's the difference between the two? Let's dive in. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. First off, it's important to note the fundamental difference between an LLC and a partnership. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a distinct legal entity that separates the business from its owners. On the other hand, a partnership is simply a business relationship between two or more individuals. Now let's break down their respective agreements. The LLC Operating Agreement. This agreement outlines the governance and the financial and functional decisions of an LLC. It may include details like how the profits and losses are distributed, management structure and voting rights, how new members are admitted, processes for leaving or transferring membership, and finally the procedure for dissolving the LLC. One major advantage of an LLC is the limited liability protection it offers. In 2017, statistics showed that there were over 2.2 million LLCs in the United States, showcasing their popularity. This number has likely grown in recent years. Why? Because owners of an LLC are not personally responsible for the company's debts. The LLC's assets and the owner's personal assets are typically separated. Now, let's move to the partnership agreement. A partnership agreement outlines the relationship between the partners in a business. It includes details like profit and loss distribution, the responsibilities of each partner, ownership interests, procedures for adding or removing partners, how disputes are resolved, and also how the partnership can be dissolved. One interesting statistic to note is that in 2019, partnerships accounted for nearly 9% of all businesses in the US. This means millions of partnerships exist, each relying on its agreement to guide its operations and resolve disputes. But keep in mind, unlike LLC owners, partners in a general partnership can be held personally liable for the debts and obligations of the business. This is a crucial distinction and something potential partners should carefully consider. Remember, while both the LLC operating agreement and partnership agreement serve as foundational documents for their respective business structures, they differ in terms of liability protection, organizational structure, and management procedures. Before deciding on a business structure, it's essential to evaluate which type of agreement and liability protection best suits your business needs. Our organization is standing by to help you out with that. Please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about LLCs compared to partnerships? Which are you more interested in? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.